One thing you don't have a problem with is enthusiasm. So let's get that out of the way. I found that your entries into certain sections, you had some little problems with entry, and you had problems with your harmony. For instance, when the soloist sang, you have a voice. When you answer voice, that answer must be in harmony with the whole song.
Tarrant, I love the energy. I love the sound of your voices. There are a couple moments where you are a little sharp, and where what you're singing didn't follow what the keyboardist was playing. But one thing that I noticed was that there are some really, really nice parts that sound like they could have been background parts with all of those oh parts and the ahs. Those are really nice and lush and beautiful. Yeah. If you had a lead part on top of it, it would really kind of cement the arrangement.
The vocal arrangement was rich. I really enjoyed it. I liked the happy faces, but the altos were a little sharp here and there. I hope that you come back